All right, ladies and gentlemen, business cards are overrated according to some gurus out there, but nevertheless, they are the iconic pieces that you must carry today as well if you want to introduce yourself and start a more meaningful conversation to get leads in. They can be like a seed that you throw every single day in a lot of different places in hopes of earning more business or just starting to get more conversation going through in your CRM. Who knows which one grows to become a tree and gives you the fruits for life? So let's dive into it. Before we go into how to design a brilliant card that catches your user's attention, check out the link in the description below this video if you need a logo redo or a new menu card in less than 68 hours delivered to you. So let's dive right into it. Imagine if you are going to the gym for a workout and you make a couple of buddies there who own some really nice cars. They get to know you are a detailer. Now they have a retailer friend. Yay, they're happy that when they need paint correction, they have a trusted buddy who they can work out with at the gym and can get cars detailed. But how do you introduce yourself and your services to them? How do they book an appointment with you? How do they know your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok accounts? That's where a well-designed and multifunctional business card comes in. All right, why should you get a business card design and place them in your pocket or in your wallet to hand over to people anyways? Reason number one, they must be in your wallet to remind you of the fact that the whole world is your prospect. And as a business owner, you are also a salesperson. And you must connect with people every single day and widen your network in order to land more deals. And hey, if we advance the technology to a level people can scan our retinas for our business links and info, the card will still be there as a sweet and iconic memory of when you first started your business. All right, I personally have my very first business cards that my dad got printed for me. I'm a little shy to show them here because they, don't have a logo or design and a professional email address to them. I know we all do dumb things at the first time we do them, and that's okay. The email address I made in college is printed on that, and it's kind of unprofessional and dumb. But it engraved in me that I must carry an identifier and create an identity for myself that is different from the government issued identity and shows what I am building and what I'm passionate about. And did I mention, I'm also giving a bonus tip to make your card stand out at the end of this video, so stick around then. So let's get to the basics. I personally love business cards that are simple. One side should always have a big logo on it along with the name. You can add a slogan, your little logo and slogan that you want, that you made for your business. And down there should be a website also. I would use a QR code instead of the website because that's what's in nowadays. You can paste your link in any QR code generator free and it'll get you the code for you. On the flip side, again, the logo can be there, but 50% smaller than on the other side. This side does not need to have your slogan, the hook, or anything, whatever you call it. This should actually let people know what you specialize in. Maximum of 20 to 35 words, broken to points, and you're good to go. And on one side, your contact info like email and phone number to get in touch with you. And if you're mobile and do home services, you may write serving the dash town countries. And if you have a shop, just put in the address in the detail. Don't forget to mention your postal code there as well. Here, you can give a QR code as well if you want people to just land directly to your website and check your services. Now that your card has been designed and all, and you get the file in your inbox, don't just send the file to the printing website to get them printed. I know there are a few websites out there who you can send the design to and they'll just mail them to you, the cards that have been printed. But instead, what you must do, and I do this all the time, is find a local printing shop near me, give them the file, and tell them to show you the most aesthetically pleasing materials that you could get the designs printed on. They could be anything from cards to plastic. And trust me when I tell you this, they can provide you the material and cards which can automatically want people to have the desire to save it somewhere. Because people like to save the precious things. So think about it. People get business cards all the time. How can you create a difference and be identified in a world where everyone is copy pasting each other's ideas? The difference in material and the ability and effort on your part to personally present the card in a conversation shows that you want to go above and beyond, and that you actually care and are willing to do what it takes to get done. All right. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and get in touch with us for your design and branding needs, because we make your logo stand out from the crowd. All right. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.